In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp account from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation for getting started with one of the most powerful email marketing platforms available. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, look for the sign up free button prominently displayed on their homepage. Go ahead and click that to begin the sign up process. It's really simple and provides you with a cost-free way to test out Mailchimp's basic features before deciding if you need a paid plan. After clicking sign up free, you'll be prompted to enter your email, a username, and create a secure password. Keep in mind that your username should be unique and easy to remember. Once you've filled in those details, click sign up. You're now on your way to joining the Mailchimp community. Now check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Mailchimp. This confirmation step is crucial as it verifies your account and ensures you have access to the email you provided. Once you've got that email, simply click the link to verify your account. Following verification, you'll be asked to fill out some basic information. Start with your full name and the name of your business. If you have a website, you can also include it at this stage. Providing this information helps personalize your Mailchimp experience. Next, you'll need to enter your business address and some additional details. These are necessary for email compliance and can't be skipped as they ensure that all your communications meet legal requirements. It's a good practice to double check this information for accuracy. Once that's completed, you'll be presented with Mailchimp's pricing plans. Take a moment to consider which plan best suits your needs. If you're just starting, you might stick with the free plan until you require more advanced features. Moving forward, Mailchimp will prompt you to set up your audience. Don't worry if you're uncertain, as Mailchimp has already created a default audience for you. This means you can start experimenting with the platform immediately. To manage your contacts, navigate to Audience and then All Contacts. Here you can organize your list effectively. You have the option to import contacts manually or use a CSV file to make the process quicker. With your audience set up, it's time to create your first email campaign. Click on Create, then Email, and choose Regular Email. You'll find a variety of templates to choose from, so select one that aligns with your brand and start customizing the content. Make sure to craft a catchy subject line and select your recipient list carefully to ensure maximum engagement. Once you're satisfied with your campaign, you can either send it immediately or schedule it for a later time, whatever best suits your strategy. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Mailchimp account and set up your first email campaign. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.